It's important to understand the different types of lenders that exist. At its simplest, there's banks and brokers, and there's different types of banks and different types of brokers, but those are the two buckets. Banks have their loan products, their loan programs, their standards, their guidelines. Brokers, on the other hand, they take your scenario and they shop it out to a wide swath of lenders who have varying programs and varying guidelines. How do I choose the right broker? That's the million-dollar question. What do you need in the transaction in order for it to make the most sense for you? The top line items are going to be who's got the cheapest costs, who's got the cheapest fees. That's the easy part. The hard part is who's going to understand what your situation is and is going to be there to hold your hand as you go. The number one reason people choose to work with us, from realtors and buyers, is our communication and how much we care about those that we're helping buy a home, because we know what it means to own a home. When we work with people, we know that there's no update too small, no news too small that doesn't warrant a phone call or a text message, and that's what you want. Someone who can communicate with you, even on the fine points, but also have the tough conversations with you as well about what you can afford and what makes sense and why maybe this home won't be the home for you and can't be the home for you now. When it comes to choosing the right lender, you have to understand or find someone who understands you and speaks your language and helps carry you through this emotional journey in a way that's going to get you from A to B and it not feel like you just went to war. That's going to be the biggest thing. It's okay to shop a few different lenders. If you work with a bank, it's okay to find out what do they offer versus what a broker might offer. The difference in the two you're going to find is a banker's lender is specified in a lot of different loans, whether it's auto or boat and home, versus a mortgage broker, they specialize in just getting home loans. As you're interviewing a lender, it's important that you look online, find out what their reputation is from those who have used them in the past. Google reviews are a great way for you to see what do people say about them? What did they like about working with them? Were there any drawbacks to working with them? You can also look on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and see who they are as a person to find out, are they someone not only that you want them to do your loan, that you trust to do their loan, but would you go get a beer with that person, or would you want to have dinner with them? Do they look like someone you'd hang out with? Because as a lender, our job is to be a trusted advisor when it comes to making financial decisions for you, for life. Not only for you, but for your kids in the future. That's what the lender that you choose should strive for. In the interview process, every lender is going to say, we need to take a look at your credit. And the good news is for you, you can have your credit pulled by multiple lenders inside a 30-day window with no impact to your score. That's one of the changes out of the last market crash we had. Consumer Financial Protection wants people shopping. They know it's to your benefit to find a lender that works with you. So don't be afraid to have people take a look at your credit, be open with them, and talk about what you want, what your goals are, and what you think is standing in the way in order for you to find the best fit for you.